Air ACT?
You know, I'm getting videos of this 747.
12032. Have a great day, 7.
That looks so awesome here. I can't wait to see it on your camera.
Oh my god, that's a freaking B-52.
I'm pretty sure it is. He might be heading back. He's climbing a little bit. I wish he was flying overhead again because we get a better look, because that was a good look that we got when he was flying over last time.
Wow. There he goes. This might be a DC-10. That might be the Polar Air Cargo 747. There it is, in all of its glory. Let's check out that contrail. Dang, I have a good zoom on this. Oh no, this is, might be something military. Camera doesn't really want to focus. Look at Bombardier Global 6000. Another fibbing. Is that actually a FedEx MD-11? Let's see the contrail. No, it's certified MD-11. Love to hear it. That is Southwest. Is that another plane? Oh, it's just that other one. It's so cold. That light there. You see that? That light there. I think that's the MD-88. This is the rarest. Yep, there it is. I know it's like a nighttime shot and you can't really see the nighttime shots, but I had to film the jet though. Sun County 737. Sun Country, I mean. Thing roars. FedEx MD-11. I believe this is flight 97, ascending from Indy. Embraer Phenom. Here's something. 737 Sunwing. Singapore A350. Oh, American. Operated by who?
American Eagle. I'm sorry, SkyWest.
Oh, wait, what CRJ is it again?
700, 701.
Thank you. Alaska 737 right there. Oh, these trees are blocking it. I'm gonna have to show you all slow-mo. Was that again? Envoy Air 175?
Yep.
American Eagle?
Yeah.
Nice. Dang. Oh, what's that?
Oh, that's a good question.
Delta 737.
It should show up nice and bright for you.
Yeah, since it's front lit. Prime Air 767. Oh god. Prime Air 767 right there. Delta. In the video. It's probably the rarest one I've ever gotten. Allegant Air 7, wait, no, not 7, Airbus A320. I apologize for my extremely obnoxious and annoying voice. Nope, just another Southwest Airlines 737. I'm getting shaky, it's cold. Dassault Falcon 900 tri-engine. Sweet American 737. It's so hard to track it freehand.
Yeah, sorry.
It's okay.
J700, and there should be a 747 out here somewhere that we're trying to find, but might be a little too far away for us to see.
Wow.
Yeah, he loves plane spotting.
Okay. Wouldn't even I wouldn't even notice that if I.
I know. You gotta look up and be like, ah, da, da, da.
So what do? Just go on?
It's the same American Eagle. We're
Yeah. It's
Weird.
usually at this time of the day.
we're west of Cincinnati, south, which has like all the DHL and Prime Air. We're north of Louisville. Oh, there's the contrail.
Oh, it just started, yeah.
I got that on video, dude.
Cool, man.
That's gonna make a good National Geographic right there.
Good jumbo plane spotting footage there. And the contrail's gone.
That was awesome. I'm gonna stay here for a little bit
That's
longer.
fine.
I want to film it crossing the horizon. This is making a great video. It's a very apparent contrail now. I love how it does that.
Oh, dude, we might see a
United Air 777. It's another American Eagle, 701 or 700.
701, I believe. Let me double check that.
Just American Eagle. It doesn't say the operator.
Yeah, CRJ 701 ER, extended range.
ER.
Yeah, ER is for extended range. A319 I was telling you about, the
The
one behind it,
American.
is an A220 from Delta.
Nice. American A319, yo.
Dude, off to the left here in a little bit, there's going to be a 787 United.
Sweet. 220 Delta. That is United Dreamliner.
Coming from London.
To where?
Houston.
Oh, nice. Still Dreamliner.
The trees are starting to bud already.
Oh, 77. By, I assume it's probably UPS.
UPS, correct.
Oh, A300. UPS. I'm out of breath, guys. I'm gonna have to do a slow-mo. No, maybe not. This is a good footage right here. A320 Frontier for all the Sea Lion livery. Serious? That's still Bombardier Challenger, 605 to be exact. FedEx and D11. I tried to record this one, but it said that my battery is counterfeit, which people say that happens a lot, and that the way to fix it is Usually, dude, look at that tri-engine contrail. Still the 727. I just gotta get a shot of it. USA Airlines 727. I hear it. UPS 747. Since I live near Louisville, about 2 hours away, we get 747s flying over fairly often. This one's got a contrail. Everyone uses my neighborhood for friggin' kids. You gotta get used to it. That's the not very good perks living here. But yeah, 747, queen of the skies. Oh my gosh, that car is right next to me right now. That's about it, bro. Can't film this more. That thing is vivid. Dreamliner. That contrail. Check this out, bro. Cessna Citation out there. Australian Airlines 777. I think it's beautiful. I've never seen Australian Airlines. I didn't even know that it existed. Well, I mean, I might have heard of them once. Oh yeah, I'm really sorry for the shaky guys. 7 Australian Air, like you already know. Oh, I hear it. Oh my gosh. It's wide and long. Contrail starting to appear. Oh, there it is. It's starting to appear now. That was not there before. I didn't get that one on video. It started when it was behind the shrub thingy. Or the tree, whatever you call it. This thing. That is 767 FedEx. Look at that contrail. FedEx 767.
Hey, Damien. Oh, you got something cool. I still got to button everything up, so it's probably going to take me another 10 minutes or so. Do you want to come hang out? Okay. Yeah, I got to clean up everything.
Korean Air 777. I'm happy with the 777 catches I've been getting today. Korean Air. That is Asiana Cargo 747. EPS 767. I think it's very cool, 767 EPS. Dude, it just flew over the freaking moon. Flew
Oh,
on
dude,
me.
I can see it, yeah. You barely see the moon there. Oh, we can hear it now.
There we go. Wow, it's very clear. Same MD-11. Oh, there we go, Contra. I got that on camera.
Cool.
Blue A320.
But he brought home his 952. Oh, wow. I put on his helmet, and he went up in the yard.
Hawker 800 XP. That was a bird. Allegant A320. It's beautiful. Sorry about the racket. There are a lot of people in my neighborhood because people hate waiting in line, so they just hog up my neighborhood. PS 747. I've never seen it fly over this well over the house. Like I've never seen it like this. Normally it's like farther out. United A319. It's quiet right now. Delta 717, are you serious right now? Seriously? Are you serious right now? You almost freaking ran me over. Unidentified plane right here.
Oh, I found it. It looks like a piece of white just flying.
Looks like a grain of rice.
Yes.
That's why I got this camera, so the planes don't look like grains of rice. That
It
is,
looks old-fashioned.
it's FedEx, I think.
Huh?
It's FedEx, I think.
No. Do you know what it is?
Another one of those American PSA CRJ 701s. Mitsubishi, I'd assume. Small looking contrail. Look at that. Oh. Travis, whatever, I don't know how to pronounce it. It's TSM, I think. CRJ 200. I don't know, I took a video of it, that's how I know what it is. Oh yeah, if you come this far, shout out to MC Planespotting, as well as Matthew Kenslow, O'Hare Planespotting, MD11 EPS. Look at those 3 contrails. That's amazing. One of my best catches ever. Cargo 777. Don't you worry, Dad. I'm getting this on video.
I knew you were. I'm trying to be quiet for you.
It's okay. You don't have to. We're not. This isn't the close-up thing, so it's fine.
Okay.
I only really mind if it's like close-up. Oh yeah, or somehow this is Leprechaun's Day. By the time you guys are watching this, it probably isn't. But I actually remembered to wear my only green Adidas.
I bet that's coming out really clearly.
Very.
You can hear it now.
Can make out the livery.
Did you get it going past the moon?
Yeah.
That's cool. It'd be a cool shot.
Not really. It didn't like fly. I was zoomed in too far.
Trying to see the red on the tail.
Yeah. Yeah, I can make it out. Possible Boeing prototype 767. I've opted to show you all photos of the catch because it's turned out blurry. Oh, here we go. I got video. Oh. Dreamlifter.
I can hear it now.